Hey guys, today I will show you how to make ramen noodles in the microwave. So, let me just explain. First, you open the packet. Once you open the packet, you want to throw this in there. But you're not ready yet. You got to break it into pieces. So, alright me, today, look at the, you got to go. Save the seasoning for later. You gotta run to the kitchen sink. You turn it on. And you put cold water. And then you're done. And that's it. Then you wanna put it in the microwave. But first, what do I need? What is it? Jesus Christ, there's nothing in here. Oh, well, just if you don't got anything, just throw it in the microwave. Alright, and wait for it to be done. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video away. So when it gets ready, then I'll show you. Right? Alright, while you're waiting, or if you already have one, get a fork. Find a fork or something. Because that's what I'm gonna do right now. I found a fork! Put it on top of something, yeah. Like that, yeah. Keep waiting. Take it out real quick. If you want it to be really good, you gotta flip it around. Jesus Christ. Let me switch the camera. See, it's still hard. Flip it around. Do whatever you want. Just squiggle it around. Put it back where you put the fork. Put it back in there. And wait. Holy shit! Well, get your seasoning bucket. You gotta hold it like this, swirl it around, so when you open it, the seasoning don't splash all over you. Because that happened to me a few times before. So, you just gotta stick it around so the seasoning won't flow on you. And then, you'd wait again. I'm just pausing the video because I don't know why. It's already like 59. Like, about 50, it's almost done. Look at that. I mean, be right back. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you something. You can use anything for this as long as it's not a plate, alright? But if you use a bowl, it would be very, very hot that you gotta use these things to pour it into another bowl. But even if you do, it's still gonna be very, very, very hot. I would recommend putting it in the freezer when you're done. I'm not sure. Okay, it's almost done, so I'll be right back. Whee! Alright, man, stop. Whoa, look at that. Holy shit. Oh, God. Oh, God. My camera. Alright. Let me take it out because it's very, very hot. Okay, if it's done, it should look like this. Now, the simple thing you got to do is you got to pour the water out. Not all of it, so you can put the seasoning in it. So pour the water out. Alright. This is not, if you use plastic, it's not going to be that hot. But if you use a bowl, like, I experimented this 2 days ago, and it was very hot. So, watch out, kids. I mean, I am kidding me. No, I'll be right back. Let me empty the water. Be right back. Oh, when you're emptying the water, you gotta hold the thing while you're emptying the water. I can't show you because nobody's helping me hold the camera, so yeah. Okay, be right back. Alright, you pour the water out. This is what it should look like there. It doesn't look right yet because you gotta throw in the seasoning vat. Okay, let me pour it. Or once you put it in, you gotta get your fork. Just dump it all over the place. And voila, it's done. See? Look at that. Oh, got it. Dirty camera again. Look at that. Look at all of that. Oh, God. Hotness. Look at all of that. Ay, ay, ay. Now I'm just going to put it for you. But